Hey everyone, I'm Karen Osborne with Kusewera, and joining me is Stephen Makasu. So I thought we'd have a little discussion with someone who participated in our Kusewera programs as a teen in Malawi and is now working with us. So we want to kind of talk with him about his journey. So welcome, Stephen.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Tell me a little bit about yourself, where you grew up, and how you were connected to Kusewera.
As Karen said, I'm Stephen from Malawi, Africa. I was brought up in an orphanage in Tendere village to meet Karen and the rest of the team for the first time in 2008. I grew up in that village. I went to school there. I did my high school in Malawi. And then after I graduated, I got a scholarship to study in America at Alabama State, where I did my 2 degrees in business and accounting. And I am finally here in America working in one of the big four accounting firms. So I'm very, very grateful for that.
That's great. So you participated in the Kusewera programs. What was
Yes.
that like?
Growing in Malawi, we didn't really have many supplies, like sports supplies, or even we were not introduced to most of the sporting activities until we met Kusewera. And just trying to get them engaged with each other together, to work as a team together, and just encourage them to be, to be the best leaders of Malawi through active play together with them. And they brought that to the village, and I and my fellow brothers and sisters in the village, we took advantage of that program. So every year we were looking forward to the teams to come to Tendere village. Yeah, I'm part of the team that's changing the lives of many, and also just is aspiring to just change the shape of Malawi in the next few decades to come. So
Tell me how some of the programs and the things that you learned in the programs helped you in school and even now in your job today.
Personally, for me, I learned a lot of stuff. I learned learning like leadership skills. Also, it taught me to be hardworking and also to be very competitive amongst my peers and my groups, which is all of those are the trends that I have to date that I carried forward with me when I went to college. I used all those when I worked in the groups. I was able to associate with everybody in the teams, or even or even be a group leader or a team leader. All those traits were instilled in me by the Kusewera teams way back before I came to America. So to have that advantage, that early advantage in life, it has been really helpful for me. Also, I use the skills that I've learned, that those people I've met have taught me to survive, to be the greatest person, or to be better than just another person. That's what Kusewera teaches us, to love each other and also to be better people, to better ourselves.
You are now part of the working with the committee in the US, but also in Malawi, and you've worked at the Kusewera Village Community Center with the kids. What is that like? What is that feeling like to be able to give back and now work with the kids as well?
Yeah, so the feeling, it's no words can explain the feeling, to say the truth. For me, I've had my gratitude for everything that people have done for me, for what Kusewera has done for me, or what Tendere Village has done for me, or anybody who has put hands on my life to help bring me to where I am today. The gratitude is just so much, is enormous, that sometimes I don't know how to express that. So to have a chance to be on the team that is working hard and that is focused on changing the lives of these young Malawians, that'll make the better Malawi of tomorrow. And I don't take it lightly. I take it as a blessing, and I take it as an honor that I want to bless it with whoever I meet along the way who is interested to be part of the family, of Kusewera family. So it's really, to me, I take it as a part of giving back, and also saying thank you to Kusewera for being there, for being a family that has been there for years now.
Yeah. Well, you are family. You've been blessed, but you are actually blessing the kids now too. I can say that I know you enjoy working with the kids, but the kids love you, and it's really a blessing to have you be able to go back and work with them from time to time.
Yeah,
So
I mean,
that's great.
it's hard not to love the kids. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Like, it's just hard not to love them. They want to, you know, it's just amazing. So it's tough not to love them.
Yeah.
And then on top of that, if you already have the passion for the kids and you already have this passion for Malawi, it's just a nice thing. I mean, it's just a nice thing on the cake. You can't go wrong with it.
I would say we're very proud of you. And I, know getting your undergrad, your master's, now working at an accounting firm. I mean, you've really done well. We're really proud of you and happy to have you as part of our team. So
I am very honored again to be on this call with you, and to everybody who's going to see this and watch it, they should know that they're welcome to join. They're welcome to Kusewera, of course. We're looking forward to have more people joining the family, more people joining the teams, more people coming to Malawi, more people changing more lives, and just giving back to the community. So
yeah,
come join us.
Thank you. All right, thank you, Stephen.
Thank you, Karen.